Well, just the sort of weather the fans were hoping for this evening. It's absolutely ideal. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and I'm joined for analysis by Stuart Robson. And getting ready for what should be potentially thrilling action here. It's Vollerenga up against Independiente.
Well, Derek, when looking forward to this game, you can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
So the initial 11 for the home side.
Well, 4-4-2 is a good formation if it's played well. It covers most of the bases defensively, and if you can then rotate your positions when you regain possession, you can also be fluid in attack. Let's hope we see that today.
And introducing the visitors lineup today.
Well, it's the same system, but which team will press the ball and push their wide players forward, and which team will drop deeper and play on the counter-attack? We'll soon know.
And they kick off here. Dangerous looking attack. And smart defending. Safe pair of hands, did his job. Can they take the lead? Well, it's ended up being, quite frankly, easy for the keeper.
Well, he should be hitting the back of the net. That's a poor effort. Well, they've started the game really brightly here, and they've looked dangerous. But that was a top-class save from the keeper. Brilliant from him.
Crossing possibilities. And a goal kick given. Oh, he's given it away. Ball played nicely. And a fine cross. Well, he wasn't messing around with the clearance. How can he take them on and beat them? Chance to cross. Still could put it away. Can they forge ahead? Well, they would have done had it not been for the keeper.
Well, they should be ahead now. Yes, it was a good save, Derek, but he should score from there.
Playing it short. Pulls it back. Well, able to close down the shot. That's a great stop.
Well, his reflexes are so good there. That's a fantastic stop. Well, the crowd can sense the goal's coming. Could this be the moment?
And short it is. Making excellent progress with the ball at his feet. And let's give credit to the defending.
Well, the hosts have had so much of the ball in the last 15 minutes and created a hatful of chances. But when you're enjoying that amount of possession, you need to make it count.
The cross is on. Looking for that final pass. Looking for the goal that would put them ahead. Straight offside, but only just. Chance to attack using width. Can he play it in? Good looking ball. A really vital interception. Could be a chance to break here. This looks promising. Oh, a fantastic save. But the offside flag has gone up and it grinds to a halt. A super tackle and they've won possession. Running with the ball confidently. Must be. Well, what an opportunity that was.
Well, that's a great chance to open the scoring. It's a poor effort in the end.
Moreira. Can they trouble the opposition this time? It's opening up for them. Well, couldn't quite direct the shot on target. Oh, a nice-looking pass. Well, it really wasn't a great effort, was it? Sese. And with that, the first half draws to a close. Well, truth be told, he's only had a very limited influence on this game, Stuart.
Well, as the touch map shows us, he hasn't been getting into the right areas to cause damage. He's such a good player around the box, but not today. He's been disappointing.
And they kick off here. As anticipated, plenty of talking points so far. And now the second half is underway. Good technique displayed. Big chance. A goal! The opening statement of the match. A richly deserved lead. And now they can celebrate.
Well, let's look at this again. To pick out this pass shows wonderful vision. It's inch perfect, and the movement is good, making for a comfortable finish. It's a really great goal.
So the ball rolling again, with the scoreline standing at 1-0. Nice looking pass. Well, they're on the scent of something positive. Oh, great play. Targets available, cross comes in. Oh, but claimed by the goalkeeper. This might be ideal for the counter. Well, that is how to run at defenders. It should be. There it is. 2 to the good now, and that gives them a buffer.
Well, just look at his strength here. He holds off the challenge, he keeps his balance, and he finds the back of the net. It's a wonderful goal.
Well, a second goal for them here. Well, it's one pass after another. Can they get in behind them? Well, strong play here. Really good challenge. The high press was very much on. Terrific block. Making excellent progress with the ball at his feet. And options in the centre. He succeeds in clearing it. Oh, moving it nicely. Breaking at pace. Can he convert? But into the keeper's gloves. Really closing him down. Pressing high to win the ball. It did look on for them, but not to be. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. Well, not quite what he wanted to do with the pass. Well, the seconds are ticking away, and the home side in control. Stuart, what have you made of this?
Well, I think the scoreline reflects the difference between the two teams. For most of the game, they've dictated the play, and they've created some really good chances.
Oh, wait, Stuart, they might score! Well, without putting too fine a point on it, he's missed it. They will now make use of their substitutes bench. Now we're inside the final 10 minutes in this one. And the cross is very much on. A cross lacking guile and accuracy. Pass after pass, happy to just keep possession and frustrate their opponents. Well, an easy one to cut out, really. Delightful pass. Fruitful looking attack. Just couldn't capitalise there. And we will have a couple of additional minutes at the end here. Getting forward. And players waiting in the centre. Cuts it back. And there it is! That will put the seal on victory if there were any lingering doubts.
Well, here's the replay. He's done really well to get his head up and pick somebody out with that cutback. But I don't think the keeper should be beaten in his near post quite so easily. I thought that was stoppable.
And that will be all for this game. Defeat for the visitors. That's the big story.
Oh dear, Derek, that was a worrying display. They were completely outplayed in almost every department. The coach has got a lot of work to do before the next game.
Well, as we run the rule over this man's work, positive after positive, Stuart.
Well, he gave that back line a torrid time, didn't he? He was far too sharp for them, always looking to play on the shoulder, took his goals well too. Clearly the difference maker today.